I've restored hundreds of cars in my lifetime, but this one, a 1907 Dion-Bouton Type AU front.
Every rivet, every brass fitting, every spoke on those wheels we're going to bring every single piece exactly as she'd
It's been neglected for years, but this barn still has good bones. It's time for SK Restoration to get started. The stories this chassis could tell. So much history under one tarp. Incredible. Can we start peeling it back?
It's beautiful. Just how I remembered it.
Well, there you are. It's even more beautiful than I imagined. And what a state you're in.
Look at this leather, completely gone.
What about these gauges?
Tarnished, but salvageable. We have a lot of work ahead of us. All right, push now. Easy, easy, keep it straight. Just a little more. Up and over. Okay, it's on. All right, it's here, looking good. Get the ramps ready. This is it. A lot of work ahead, but it's all here. We can do this.
The paint is heavily oxidized, but the structure appears solid.
Yeah.
Yes, the brass needs a thorough cleaning and polishing.
All right, just one more bolt. There we go, that's it. The mounting brackets, the verdigris, they tell a story. This restoration is going to be a fascinating journey.
Can you tell me more about the damage to the wooden frame?
Sure, we have warping along the rail, multiple cracks, tarnished brackets, and a broken pane. All right, let's loosen these up simultaneously.
On your count.
1, 2, 3. Give it a good turn.
Yeah.
Okay, carefully lift straight up.
Well, this is quite a project. Years of neglect, but it's all here, ready to bring it back to life.
All right, that's the final bolt. Just be careful with this edge here, the denting's pretty fragile. All right, that's the last bolt.
That's the air bolt.
Easy does it, don't want any more crumbling. This is the original gauge, still with the oxidation from the early 1900s. I need to be careful with the clips. There, got it. Setting it aside now.
This is the strip-bare chassis of the 1907 Dion-Bouton, revealing the frame and suspension. It's a true historical artifact.
Was von mir Kleidung Zeit bitte genommen.
You have to be gentle but firm with these old spokes. Work the soap in good. Make sure to get right up against the hub. See the red-brown coming through now?
You can see the original red coming back already beneath all that century-old grime. Just needs patience.
I'm just getting into the cylinder fins now. Make sure you get all the carbon off the intake ports. The wash is done. Now we see the full truth of it. Extensive crazing, rust in every seam, but we can do this. Almost there. This rust is stubborn. Look at that metal underneath. Beautiful.
Welcome to SK Restoration, where we bring vintage cars back to life. Today, we're working on the suspension of a 1907 Dion-Bouton.
Getting into these old floors is a challenge, but you can see the grain starting to emerge. It's rewarding.
The spokes are drying nicely.
Yeah.
The flaking paint detail is much clearer now.
Yeah.
Just need to get all the surface moisture off before assessment.
Welcome to the final layout of the 1907 Dion-Bouton, all cleaned, unrestored, and ready for assessment.
The seam here is holding well, but we'll need to address the corrosion along this edge. Noted. I think we'll start with a light sandblast on the hood.
You need a good amount of water for this part, keeps the paper from clogging up.
And it makes it smoother, right?
Exactly. The finer the slurry, the better.
Perfect. That's 3 coats. She's really coming to life now.
All right, first coat of high build clear. Let's make this maroon pop. All right, first one cracked. Let's see if the rest are as stubborn. Takes a while to get the feel of these old parts.
The cylinder head from the 1907 Dion-Bouton, lifted off the block. See the deep carbon deposits, the head gap.
The heart of the machine. It's coming back to life. Just have to be patient with it. Ah, yes. Perfect period correct composition. This will fit just right. The heart of the engine brought back to life. All right. Steady now. Almost there. Perfect. Settled. All right, start with the center left. Even pressure. Good. Move to the center right now.
All right, new lining fitted and riveted. Now to reattach the expanding mechanism. Looks solid, boss. Just needs final tensioning. Almost there. All right, center bolt through. Now for the clamp plates. Tightening it down securely. Perfect fit.
All right, slowly, slowly. Just a little to the left. Hold it steady right there. Perfect. All right, studs aligned. That gasket fits perfectly. Just got to tighten these wing nuts now. All right, tension feels good there. Just a couple more adjustments on this side. All right, just a little bit more leverage here. And there we go, almost done. All right, let's get this first one on. Hand tight first. And now the spanner for the final torque. The helical gears show some wear, but they are intact. The oil is still draining well. Good. The machining marks confirm its age. All right, drive shaft in. Just need to tighten these bolts, and we're good to go. Looks perfect.
This is it, the newly completed red leather tufted bench seat. Look at that crisp new condition.
All right, fits just like a glove. Looks perfect, John. Yes. The dashboard here has been carefully sanded, ready for the stain. This period-correct dark mahogany will bring the wood's natural grain back to life.
The final coat. Every detail preserved.
After all these hours, the transformation is finally complete. The shine is incredible, like liquid gold. All right, slowly does it. Just a little to the right. Got it, looks good. Perfect. All right, that's it. Perfect. Exactly right. There, tight as a drum. Finally, she's complete. The Carnauba show wax needs to be worked slowly into the cured paint. That's where the magic happens. You want to feel that bite, that friction. That's the wax coming off and the shine appearing. See those reflections? Perfect orbs. That's when this 1907 Dion-Bouton Type AU took everything we had down, but she's earned her shiny maroon back.
117 years ago, this car was brand new and rolling off a Paris factory floor. Today, Ugg,